If you're wondering how to integrate EverWebinar on your WordPress site, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will guide you through the whole process step by step, making sure you can seamlessly integrate the software and get your webinars up and running in no time. Stick around till the end, and I'll even share an exclusive offer you don't want to miss. First things first, you need to have an active EverWebinar account. If you don't have one yet, no worries, you can grab an extended free trial by clicking the link in the description below. This bonus offer is a limited time deal that'll help you test out EverWebinar with no pressure. Next thing, let's talk about installing the plugin on your WordPress site. Head over to your WordPress admin dashboard and click on Plugins. From there, you'll want to search for the EverWebinar plugin. Once you find it, simply click Install Now and then activate it. This is where the magic happens. The third thing you'll need to do is connect your EverWebinar account to WordPress. After activating the plugin, you'll be prompted to enter your EverWebinar API key. You can find this in your EverWebinar dashboard under Settings. Once you've entered the key, hit Save and you're connected. This step is critical for syncing everything between the two platforms. Moving on to the fourth thing, creating your first webinar on EverWebinar. Once your accounts are connected, head over to the EverWebinar plugin settings on your WordPress dashboard. You should now see an option to create or add an existing webinar. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your webinar, and don't forget to customize your registration pages, which you can do right from within EverWebinar's interface. The fifth thing you should do is embed your webinar registration form or replay page directly into your WordPress site. EverWebinar makes it super easy to do this with shortcodes. Once your webinar is set up, you'll get a shortcode that you can place anywhere on your site, whether it's a landing page, a blog post, or even in a sidebar. Paste the shortcode where you want the form to appear, and it will automatically pull in all the details from your EverWebinar account. Now, let's talk about the final thing, testing everything before you go live. After setting up your integration, it's important to make sure that everything works smoothly. Check the registration process, watch a replay, and confirm that all your settings are correct. If you notice any issues, EverWebinar's support team is great at resolving them quickly. Before we wrap up, I'll remind you again, you can start using EverWebinar completely free by clicking the link below and taking advantage of our exclusive bonus offer. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on that. And there you have it. You've now integrated EverWebinar on your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the description for that extended free trial and start building your automated webinar funnel today.